This might be a hot take, but unless you're a professional driver or a road trip enthusiast, you're probably underestimating how crucial a high-quality dashcam is. A top-tier front and rear dashcam isn't just about recording accidents. It's your 24/7 eyewitness, your insurance against fraud, and your peace of mind on wheels. Whether it's catching reckless drivers, documenting scenic road trips, or protecting your car in parking mode, the right dashcam does it all. Before we dive in, make sure to check the links below for the latest discounts on every model we're covering today. Let's roll. Number 5. GKU Dashcam, Front and Rear, Best Budget Dual Cam. If you're looking for a no-nonsense dashcam that punches above its price, the GKU D600 is where smart money goes. This dual camera setup records front footage in 4K Ultra HD and rear footage in 1080p, ensuring crisp details whether you're driving through city traffic or a dimly lit highway. The 170-degree wide-angle lens and WDR-enhanced night vision mean even low-light conditions won't rob you of clarity. License plates, road signs, and sudden maneuvers stay sharp. What sets this apart from budget competitors is its 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, letting you stream, download, or adjust settings via the GKU Go app in seconds. No fumbling with SD cards. Just pull up footage on your phone and share it straight to social media or your insurance company. The loop recording and G-sensor are lifesavers too. When the 64GB card fills up, it overwrites old footage seamlessly, but if the G-sensor detects a collision, it locks the clip to prevent overwriting. Parking mode is another win here, though you'll need a hardwire kit sold separately for 24/7 surveillance. The compact hidden design keeps your windshield clutter-free, and installation, a 5-minute job. For under $60, this is the best bang-for-buck dashcam that doesn't cut corners. Number 4. IIWEY 5/4-channel dashcam, best for 360-degree coverage. For drivers who want total situational awareness, the IIWEY 5 is a game-changer. This 4-channel dashcam records front, rear, left, and right views simultaneously in 1080p, effectively giving you a 360-degree view of your surroundings. Uber drivers, truckers, or anyone worried about blind spots will love this. The 8 IR lamps boost night vision, so even pitch-black interiors, like rideshare cabins, are captured clearly. The standout feature? 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus free app control. Unlike clunky systems that force you to juggle multiple files, the IIWEY app lets you preview, download, and stitch together footage from all 4 cameras in one place. Just note, the rear camera must be wired, and parking mode requires a hardwire kit, sold separately. Storage isn't an issue. It includes a free 128GB SD card, and loop recording ensures you never miss a moment. The supercapacitor, not a battery, means it won't fry in extreme heat, a must for summer drivers. If you want all-around coverage without breaking the bank, the IIWEY 5 is a stellar pick. Number 3. REDTIGER F4 Pro, best for night clarity. Night driving is where most dashcams fail, but not the REDTIGER F4 Pro. With a Starvis 2 sensor, the gold standard for low-light imaging, this dual cam delivers 4K front plus 1080p rear footage that's shockingly vivid, even in total darkness. Think crisp license plates, well-lit interiors, and zero grainy blur. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 is a beast. Download clips 6 times faster than standard 2.4 GHz models. Pair it with the REDTIGER Cam app, and you've got instant access to live streaming, GPS route tracking, and voice control. Hands-free commands like lock video or take photo. The included 128GB card and supercapacitor, for extreme temperatures, round out a premium package. Parking mode offers 2 options: collision detection, autosaves impact footage, or time-lapse, records 1 frame per second to save space. Just add a hardwire kit and your car stays guarded 24/7. For night owls or security-conscious drivers, the F4 Pro is a revelation. Number 2. Vantrue N4 Pro, best for ride-shared migrant taxi drivers. If you're an Uber, Lyft, or taxi driver, the Vantrue N4 Pro is your ultimate witness. This 3-channel dashcam records 4K front plus 1080p interior plus 1080p rear, capturing everything from reckless drivers to passenger disputes. The StarViz 2-sensor plus plate pix tech makes license plates readable day or night, while 4 IR LEDs illuminate the cabin perfectly. The Wi-Fi app lets you sync footage across all 3 cameras, and buffered motion detection saves 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event. No missed evidence. The 360-degree adjustable rear cam can even monitor your trunk. Great for pickup trucks. Parking mode has 4 options, including motion-activated recording, but you'll need a hardwire kit. At $250, it's an investment, but for professionals, it's insurance against false claims. Number 1. REDTIGER F17 Elite, best overall. The crown goes to the REDTIGER F17 Elite, a 4K 3-channel beast with dual StarViz 2 sensors, IMX678 plus IMX675. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a full-color night vision powerhouse. While rivals switch to grayscale at night, the F17 records in vibrant color, making it easier to identify vandals or hit-and-run drivers. The 4K front plus 2.5K rear plus 1080p interior combo is unmatched, and the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 ensures lightning-fast app transfers. The touchscreen plus voice control is intuitive, and the pre-installed 128GB card means plug-and-play readiness. Parking mode shines with time-lapse plus collision detection, and the supercapacitor handles -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. At $300, it's pricey, but for unrivaled clarity, reliability, and features, the F17 Elite is the best dashcam money can buy. That wraps up our top 5 front and rear dashcams. Whether you need budget-friendly coverage, GKUD 600, 360-degree visibility, IIWEY N5, or Hollywood-grade night footage, REDTIGER F17, there's a perfect match here. Drop a comment if you've tried any of these, or hit subscribe if this saved you hours of research. Drive safe and catch you in the next one.